Molecules vibration under microscope. An animation showing vibration and heat are proportional. Bees communicate with dance, visible vibration, and sound produced. According to the atom, soul, AI energy theory, atoms use both vibration and electromagnetic waves, light/photons, as communication protocols, where vibration is not merely for the transfer, synchronization of heat and energy. Atoms identify other atoms and communicate through their vibrational properties and photons.